Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. In the name of Allah, the most merciful, the most gracious, all praise to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala. Because of Him, we can gather in this situation and condition, and now we can watching my video about tutorial of IT. Okay, what is a network? A network is a group of connected devices or systems that share information. It can be small, like a home Wi-Fi setup, or large, like a school or business network. Network may be wired or wireless. They help people and devices share data, access resources, and stay connected. Why are network important? For first reason is everyday activities. Network connect device and online service so people can browse, message, call, share, stream, and use cloud tools. And two is in companies. Business use network to share data, access system, support collaboration, and keep operations secure. And three, essential and integrated networks are the backbone of modern life, linking people, device, and servers across home, work, and public space. Okay, now I will share about main component of a network. First is device. Device are the endpoints and hardware that connect people and system to the network. They include user device and infrastructure device that send, receive, and direct data. For example, laptop, phone, printers, router, and server, switches, and servers. They support tasks like sharing files, tasks like sharing files, printing, and video and call. And two is media. Media is the path data travels through a network. It can be wired like internet or fiber, or wireless like Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. Wired is usually faster and more stable. Wireless is more flexible and mobile. And three is protocol. Protocol are the rules that let devices communicate and understand each other on a network. For example, TCP or IP, HTTP or HTTPS, DNS, and SMTP. They handle addressing, routing, web access, and email. Now is type of network by coverage area. The first is LAN, local area network. A LAN connects device in small area like a home, classroom, office, or single building. It is fast, simple to manage, and ideal for sharing internet, files, and printers. For the constellation, best for short distance use in homes, school, and officers. Often use Ethernet, Wi-Fi, or both. And second, MAN or Metropolitan Area Network. MAN like multiple LANs across a city, campus, or a large neighborhood. It is larger than a LAN but smaller than a WAN. Connect sites across one metro area used by universities, cities, and large organizations often relies on high-speed fiber links. And the last one is WAN, Wide Area Network. WAN spans very large areas, linking cities, countries, and consistent. The internet is the best known example. Connects LAN and MAN over long distance requires stronger routing and security. Now is network topologies or structure. The first thing is star. Device connect to one central hub, switch, or router. It's easy to set up and troubleshoot. If one device is failed, the rest usually keep working. The main risk is that the central device can stop the whole network. And for the second topology is bus. All devices share main cable. It is simple and low cost. It doesn't scale well, and if the cable fails, the network segment can go down. And for the third topology is ring. Devices are connected in a closed loop with data moving from one node to the next. A break in the ring can disrupt communication unless there is a backup path. And for fourth, mesh. Device connect through multiple paths, making the network more reliable. It is flexible and resilient, but more expensive and complex to build. Now it's about IP addressing, subnet mask, and gateway. IP address identifies a device on a network. It can be private for local use or public for internet access. And subnet mask shows which part of an IP address is the network and which part is the device. And gateway, the network exit point, usually the router that sends traffic outside the local network. IP address identifies the device, subnet mask defines the network, gateway connects to other networks. Okay, and then how data moves briefly. When you visit a website, your device sends a request, the router forwards it, and the server returns a response. The browser then displays the result. Short steps. You enter a website address. Your router sends the request toward the internet and the correct server. The server process it and sends data back to your device. And last, your browser shows the page or app content. This is auxiliary help explain this process. Application handles the browser, transport manage delivery, and network handles routing. Um, and now is basic comments for troubleshooting. The first thing is ping. Check if a device or site is reachable and shows latency or packet loss. Use it to confirm basic connectivity. Okay. And then tracer or trace route shows the path tag and help find where delays or failure happen. Use it to locate routing problems. And ipconfig or ifconfig displays the device IP setting, gateway, and DNS. Use it to check whether to network the setting looks correct. Uh, okay. And then case example school network. In this setup, computers connect to a neutral switch, which link to a router for internet access. It lets device communicate locally while also uh, reaching online school and service. Students use the network for learning, resources, file sharing, printing, and classroom application. It supports everyday teaching, research, and digital submission. Advanced, easy to manage, support resource sharing, and can be expanded as needed. The challenge, uh, access must be controlled, security needs to be strong, and bandwidth can slow down during heavy use. Shared access to files, printers, and learning platform requires security and is permission. And for conclusion and next step, networking works through hardware, media, and protocol that move data between device and the internet. Key device, switch, routers, wireless access point, and device. And the key component is IP address. Subnet key concept is IP addressing, subnet mask, default gateway, and the OC model. And next step, practice ping, ipconfig, or ifconfig, and traceroute. And keep practicing basic configuration and troubleshooting. The skill building a strong foundation for advanced network and CCNA study. Okay, maybe that's all from me. Thanks for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.